I am kind of shooting towards the sun, so that's gonna make it worse. My neighbor's getting his windshield replaced in his car. He's got a Mazda. Looks like these fellas are doing it. That dude's got green rims on his Nissan. That's pretty cool. Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. Oops. Looks like a torch maybe to heat up the glass. I'm not sure what he's doing with a torch. What's that guy doing? Whoa, it's got a fancy battery operated caulking gun. No way. Oh no, stop going fuzzy. Why would you do that? What's that guy doing? Hmm. Looks like he's putting the urethane window glue on the car, so he's getting ready to install it. Hmm. Coming on this side, doing this side now. It must have been the old window they took out. I like the new windows on that stand they have over there. Not sure if you can see that blue stand. I think that's a new window they want to put in. I've never installed a window myself or windshield. I've helped take one out. I've seen a couple of videos on how to do it, but never actually done it myself. Sometimes it's better to hire a professional and have them do it correctly the first time around, instead of you doing it and possibly messing it up. Then you have to take it out or redo it, and that's expensive. Stop. Why are you going blurry? Tapping it in place. I'm in my room here looking out the window. I'm probably getting ready to reinstall the wiper arms. Getting the trim put back on. Kind of blocking the driveway a little bit. Hopefully people can get around them. There should be enough room to get around. If not, they can always move. Hopefully this video offered you guys some insight on how to install how to install a windshield. If you want to go ahead and like the video, subscribe, that'd be great. Let me know what you think. Did you guys learn anything on how to install a windshield? If not, tell me what you want to learn. There's videos on YouTube on how people do it. It's not that hard to find. I'm sure you can learn a little bit more by watching other people's videos. That's fine. Like I said, I'm not a professional windshield installer. These guys are. So that's cool. I do have a link for my PayPal if you want to donate to the channel to help make it grow. It's not a huge channel right now, but I do appreciate those that have subscribed and watch my videos. Helps encourage me to create more videos. I do not have a computer, so this will probably go onto YouTube raw with minimal audio effects or visual effects. If I do any of that kind of stuff, it'll be on like a public computer. But I've got a decent phone right now, so I'm just using that for my YouTube videos until I get something better. Looks like they're finishing up, cleaning everything off. The other gentleman's looks like he might be working on getting the trim installed, getting that finished up. Get ready to move on to the next job. I've never seen this company before, so maybe they're from the city. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you do, drop a like, subscribe. Appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day, and God bless. Bye.